Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some acrylic toes. Pay no attention to my little grandma oval shaped nails. This is the style I've been wearing my nails in for work. I'm just going in with some oval shaped full cover tips. Spoiler alert, I wish I would have went in with some different tips. These weren't long enough. I believe this was like the medium or small length. I should have went in with a large or extra large length so that I can push the full nail down into the well of the nail, because they kept coming out during acrylic application. You guys will say hot mess, but I made it work in the end. So I'm just going in with a sanding band, roughing the nail up a little bit, cleaning up per usual to get rid of some of that dust. I don't know why, but I did go in with some Bond just for the aesthetics of the video. Here you guys can see. And then, like I said, I'm going in with some acrylic. I really struggled to do these acrylic nails, but I still wanted to post this video. In real life, I don't struggle to do acrylic nails. Acrylic toes. They are actually one of my favorite things to do, even though I personally don't recommend acrylic on toes. I actually don't offer the service, but I will do it for a friend here or there that like acrylic toes. If you wear acrylic toes, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. I personally just don't like to wear acrylic toes because my feet sweat. Here, just going in, like I said, putting some acrylic application on. This was really wonky. I don't know if you guys can tell by the video, but it was really hard for me to apply this acrylic just because I felt the nail coming out. And I believe at one point it did. I think I cut that part out, but yeah, that's what we are up against. I have that toe done, just going in with a little bit of acrylic to do the rest of the toes. This is one of the acrylics I swatched for you guys for my acrylic haul that I recently did, my wholesale acrylic haul. So I'm just going in. This is one of my favorite colors that I actually use all the time. What have you guys been up to? I'm dying to use this kit that I have from Beetles. If you're watching this, my buddy Naj from nail school, my little nail Betsy, she put me on to Beetles during school, and I never looked back. I actually had some Beetles stuff. I think back in school I only had their black and their white polish. But if you don't have any Beetles in your collection, like, what are you waiting for? It's one of the more inexpensive brands where you get a lot for your money. You can find them on their website, or you can find them on Amazon. I will link everything down below that I am using so that you guys can scroll through and grab some stuff that you want if you want to purchase anything. Again, going in with the acrylic. Boy, I struggle. I can't say that enough. I'm going to bring this back again and do it, but I'm actually going to do it with, like I said, longer full well tips. I don't recommend gluing your nails inside your silicone hand at all. There's no need. Just go in with a larger size nail so that it fits wall to wall, and go in with a longer tip so that it go down in the well bed. That way you don't have trouble the way I'm struggling right now. But yeah, just going in, making sure they look nice and cute. I didn't want them too long. I think they came out pretty good. I do believe I try not to file too much. Again, like I said, these nails were falling out, so your girl was trying to make sure everything was good. Do you guys have a full pinky nail? Don't lie. Comment down below. Let me know if you have a full pinky nail. I have a little pinky nail. My pinky nail is like half of this. She be getting gel polish on her, but I could never put any acrylic on her. She too small. So just going in with the 80 grit file. Again, my application on this big toe is not as smooth as I would like because it kept falling out. So I was not going to go in with my drill. Just going to go in and file up. And I don't believe I put all of this in. Just want to show you guys how I got the end result of a smooth acrylic application. Just going in and filing this up. I am actually wearing on my nails a Beetles polish. I'll try to find what that is. It's from another kit that I actually have. Yeah, I've been wearing old lady nails. I really try not to wear nails to work, and if I do, I try to make sure they're all one color and I'm not doing too much, drawing too much attention to my hands, even though this glitter acrylic is loud. But yeah, went in with some alcohol, trying to clean up some of that dust because the kit that I'm going to use has a ton of polish. I did plan on going in with polish, but wind up not going in just because I felt like I could have got a smoother application with this acrylic, and it's not as smooth as I wanted. So I am going in with some glue on the top of the nail because I'm going to try to camouflage how smooth the acrylic application is not. So I'm going in with some glitter just over top of the nail, nothing too serious, going for more of like a glitter ombre look, placing it wherever it fall down, just trying to make sure it is laying flat so when I go over it, everything is cool. So just doing that here, going back and forth. Try not to be too tedious. I want the dots to fall wherever they fall. I know y'all on my head about the acrylic that I posted. If you're watching my videos and if you keep commenting and leaving me messages, I got you. Calm down. I'm going to go back to those messages and comment the link. I'm sorry, individually, but your girl work 80 hours a week, not 80 hours every 2 weeks. So I'm extremely busy. I'm trying to navigate some things so that I'm still able to post. Bear with me, please. So yeah, I like the way that looks. Now we're going to hop into this Beetles gel polish set. This is all in one mani, come with 35 polishes. This right here is bomb.com. I spilled it, so when you get it and you order it, take your time and open it. It does come with cuticle oil matte top base coat, pretty glitter gel polish. It come with the colors here that you guys see. This is a dope kit because you do get different colors that you can rock in any season. This right here, I can't wait to use. You have your nudes, your fall colors, your spring colors, your summer colors, and also your winter colors all in one. You do have some swatch sticks here and some soak off pink tip things. Here are some instructions. You also get a kit with a brush, some acetone remover, aluminum, I forget what those little things are called, a file, a buffer, a cuticle pusher, a nail clipper. You get some stickers. Some of those stickers you can use if you're not really good at French tip. This is the ultimate kit, no lie. If you do gel X nails at home, you don't go to the nail salon, this is something you want to grab. You get all of this with it, all of these accessories, also a UV LV lamp. This lamp is bomb. I'm happy I got this because I'm going to take this lamp to the office because I do nails sometimes at work on myself or my assistant. So yeah, I'm going to take this in and I'm going to bring my other one that I prefer to use at home or in my studio back home. So here you do see the lamp. It's a really cute lamp. I'm going to put the foot in there. You do get your traditional 30, 60, 120 seconds. I did cure that. So I am going in now with what I thought was the top coat, but it actually is the matte top coat, which is fine. I just wanted to go in with a really thick layer of polish, clear, just so that I can quote unquote encapsulate that glitter with the polish. My mind was telling me before when I was putting the glitter on that I was going to go in with some gel polish and do some line work. But then as I began to encapsulate it with the clear polish, I did realize I think it would be a lot going on. So I did try, but I didn't include that footage just because, like I said, it was like all over the place. I think this is really cute, and I, chose to just stop here. I am curing that in the lamp for 126 seconds, but in between each, I did like 30. Here, I'm going in with the cuticle oil. As you can see, this was not necessary because it's a silicone foot, but I just wanted to go in and get rid of some of that dust that do happen to stick on the silicone foot, just so you guys can see what it looked like. If I have a discount code, it will be across the screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will leave the link to everything I'm using down below.